All right, what's going on, y'all? It's the Wavy One here. Now, as you know, I've been making my version of an ultimate smoothie. You can check out some of the videos that I've done, the first one, the second one. And then I did a video about a nutrient-dense meal in less than 10 minutes. And this is sort of a spin-off of that one. It's kind of a smoothie, kind of not really, because I don't put that much frozen fruit in there. But here we go. We've got the trusty hemp milk. I think there's a cup or something in here. Now I'm gonna call this one the ultimate Blanco because it's gonna be a nice white, off-white smoothie type of deal. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. So spoon, I'm not really a spoon kind of guy, and I'll tell you why. But I mean, since I already have the pills out, we've been rocking with that Shilajit lately. So 2 pills of that. And then I would use the enzymes and the probiotics from Puridyme, which I am going to use. Just the only thing is, I'm going to use this raw life protein, which already has it in there. So you got your prebiotics, your probiotics, all your essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. So whenever someone says protein, tell them amino acids. They probably won't know what the hell you're talking about, really. But that's okay. So everyone's got to learn eventually. And I did all those. So here is Silver Boost, colloidal silver supplement. I'm gonna drop a little bit of this in there. Wish I had some colloidal gold as well, but I don't. But honestly, I probably use this like once a month, maybe. But you really don't need much of it. Not much at all. Just making sure we're getting all our nutrients. And I really don't have to do this, but do it anyway. Then we've got our organic earth. You already know, sea moss, bladderwrack, burdock root. I thought we had some gel in the fridge. We don't. So here we are. About a tablespoon. About, of course, you know, we don't really measure like that over here. We just get to it. We're just getting to health. Get straight to it. So now I'm gonna throw in about a handful of some raw organic pumpkin seeds, because just like your semen is the key to life, right? Seeds, your seed, men, is the key to life. Seeds are the key to life. Nothing's gonna grow without seeds. So, I mean, it'd be slightly better to sprout them, but whatever. Still, if you can get them into your diet, it's all that really matters. Like, you know, eating organic anything is gonna be better than, you know, just some regular, you know, like organic fruit is gonna be better than non-organic fruit. Or, you know, hemp milk's better than milk. There's levels to this health game, but don't stress about it too much. A lot of people, they start to stress about it. I gotta eat organic. I must eat organic. It's like, yo, calm down, my guy. Go to the gym, work out, like do something else. You know, maybe you need to meditate. You seem a little worked up. When's the last time you had sex? You seem a little worked up. You know, it's like, do something, right? This stuff is really not as hard as some people try to make it seem. So just be cool with it. Keep it simple, right? Health is actually so very simple. They try to overcomplicate it with all these different diets and yada, yada. But, you know, based on science and common sense, health is stupid simple. Now I've got the royal jelly. It's trying to look at me. Don't do that. But yeah, we got the royal jelly in honey, and then that focus be crazy. There we go. See, I have a good camera. I can just do that. But yeah, the royal jelly in honey. It's a little sticky because you can't fully close this, and I had it in my carry-on, not carry-on, but in my luggage, airport, it was all sticky, whatever. But royal jelly is what the queen bee eats exclusively, and it's in honey. Which, I mean, everything that the bees make, from propolis, bee pollen, all that stuff is very, very good for you, very healthy. Antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. This stuff will literally last for thousands of years. They found honey in sarcophaguses. Sarcophagus? I think that's how you say it. You know, like what they put the pharaohs in, the mummies in Egypt. Yeah, they found honey that was still edible, still had enzyme activity from thousands of years ago. I mean, that's crazy. So that's why I'm the honey guy, right? I need to make another honey video before I run out of my honey. No, I got like 5 more jars of honey. I'll be good. And last but not least, I did this yesterday and I had to do it again today. We've got this juice here. It's not really juice, but it's kind of like a milk type of deal from Squeezed, this company we have here in Houston. And inside of this, it's called cashew milk. It's got cashews, cinnamon, date, sea salt, water, and safflower in here. Sometimes the cinnamon and stuff gets clogged up at the bottom, so I'm just shake it up a little bit of shake, a little bit of shake. So yeah, it's kind of, I never really thought of that before, because the thing's in the center of the camera now, so it's actually focusing mainly in the center, which is a good thing. So hopefully the video, you know, is in focus for most of the video. But I'm gonna pour this in here. It's 16 ounces. And I need to keep this recipe so I can learn to make my own. I didn't buy this though, but shout out to mom, right? But yeah, if y'all wanted to know the brand of that hemp milk, it's by Pacific Foods. Usually when I get milk, it's pretty much always hemp milk if I can find it. So yeah, let's go ahead, blend this up. All right, I was gonna let that ride, but with the probiotics and the enzymes, it smelled a little funky. It was just from yesterday, but you gotta be careful, gotta be cool. So this is definitely gonna be more than 32 ounces, but that's okay, because it's pretty freaking good and I'll drink it anyway. So yeah, it's not really smoothie consistency, but it's still gonna be amazing, so whatever. Yeah, I still got like, hold on, the other one. Yeah, I still got pretty much 8 ounces of this left. But yeah, no, this is freaking wonderful. This is the ultimate smoothie Blanco. I mean, if you can find some, you know, it's more like an off-white beige kind of thing. But hey, I'm the one naming this shit, so that's what it is. I got the cashews in here, the seeds, little dates, some good protein powder, the freaking, you know, I got like a bunch of good stuff in here, right? And if you make sure that you get quality supplements, mainly organic, right? You know, you're going to be getting good nutrition, right? It comes from a whole food source, right? The raw life protein comes from whole foods, okay? The organic earth body food comes from whole food sources. The shilajit, you know, the maca, the ashwagandha, like all this stuff comes from good stuff. So you don't really have to worry about, you know, calories too much, stuff like that, right? But yeah, this is gonna be wonderful. If y'all wanna try out this recipe, let me know how that goes for you. So that's the video. I'm gonna go fix a door handle and take out trash now. And then, I don't know, I might watch Louis. I might finish that Devil May Cry anime. Oh, they got freaking Bleach, the 1,000-Year Blood War. I gotta watch episode 3. It probably came out already on Hulu. I got options, baby. I got options, and so do you. So make sure that you keep the health inside of you, that life inside of you, so you can continue to have options. But I'm out of here. Subscribe, comment, like the video, and I'll catch y'all next time. Thank you. Peace.